Hello there. Hope you all are having a great time. I'm here this afternoon with three beautiful questions to make your life meaningful and purposeful. So ask these three questions to yourself today. Question number one: what do I want out of my life? Question number two: how badly I want it. And question number three: how far can I go about that? Now, question number one: what do I want out of my life? Why to ask this question? Because a lot of people around us have yet not discovered and validated uh, what do they want out of their lives, what are they working and what are they living for. Now once you discover, you move on to question number two, which is how badly I want it. The other way around, do I really want it or not? Now this is another way to validate the question number one. If it's a yes, then you move on to question number three. And if it's a no, you stick to question number one until you say yes with a strong conviction. Now, you know how badly you want it and you validated it many a time. So it's a high time to move on to question number three. That is, how far can I go about that? Meaning, come hell or high water, I'm not going to give up. And I'm ready for the insurmountable challenges in my life. And I'm not going to make any difference between days and nights to make that happen. And the good news in this entire process is you seem to becoming antifragile. That is, you are unbreakable. So I really want you to ask these three questions to yourself. And I really wish you have a good life and make your life meaningful and purposeful. So thank you so much. See you later.